Alright, if you're watching this video, it is because you've gathered your data for the Snell's Law or Index of Refraction Lab and you're ready to start with processing this data. So we're going to go open Excel, go to Insert at the top, Symbols. First thing, we're going to insert a symbol theta. So under Symbols, this box comes up. Change to Greek and Coptic for the subset. Scroll down and you should see the theta symbol next to the eta here underneath the X or the chi symbol. Grab theta, insert, close that out. This is going to be theta 1 and this will be in degrees. Right here we're going to type symbol again. Recently used symbols, theta is now within one of your recently used. Go to insert, close. Theta 2 degrees. All right, so this is where you're going to input your degree values. I'm going to pause my recording just to expedite this process. All right, so now I have my incident angles and then my refracted angles, and these are in degrees. Excel does not like to use degrees, so we're going to have to convert each of these to radians. So again, I'm going to grab symbols. I'm in the C column, grabbing symbol, theta. This is theta, close this out, 1, and we're going to convert all of these initial degrees into radians. So I'm spelling out the word RAD for radians. And I will type equals underneath the first entry. I will spell out the word radians, RADIANS, shift 9, open parentheses. Click your first theta 1, which is in degrees. Close your parentheses, hit enter. It gives you radians. You can click, drag, hold, bottom right hand corner. Your cursor turns black all the way down and it converts these values to radians for you. We'll go ahead and do the same thing for theta 2, which is in degrees. Symbols, grab theta, insert, close. Theta 2, this is going to be in radians. Type the equal sign, RADIANS, open parentheses, grabbing theta 2, which is in degrees, close parentheses, click, drag, hold, all the way down. Okay? Now I am going to take sine of theta 1 in radians. So sine of these angles, remember Snell's law, N1 sine theta 1 equals N2 sine theta 2. So I'm going to type sine, open parentheses, symbol, grabbing this theta again, insert. These are going to be sine of my theta 1 values in this column. I will type equals, sine, open parentheses, grab my first theta 1, close parentheses, and there we go. Those are the sine values. I'll click, drag, hold. This has now given me the sine of these radians. And I'll make a space just in case, sine, open parentheses, symbol, using theta, insert, close, theta 2. Here we'll take the sine of these angles which are in radians for the refracted ray. Sine, open parentheses, grab your first entry, close parentheses, and then click, drag, hold all the way down. Now we have our data sets. From the slope of this graph, when we plot these data, we're going to get N2. So follow me to the next video where I show you how to do that. In the meantime, thanks for watching and study well.